Kumusta mga kanoise? Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel, Philippine Noisy. So ngayong araw, another update naman tayo. Usaping ano naman to men, full politika natin dito sa Pilipinas. So again, ang video ito ay mula kay isang TV. So meron itong pamagat na nakakagulat ang gulo ng mga nakakagulat ang gulo na mga senador nagsipag-resign sa pwesto. Nakakatawa lang isipin, di ba na, hindi ko rin alamin kung bakit humantong sa ganito, ano. So, yan yung aalamin natin ngayon. So, bago natin simulan, Esang TV, supportahan nyo yan. Tapos, syempre, kung trip nyo ng mga ganitong reaction video, may kasama kayong manood, huwag nyo na rin kalimutang supportahan yung YouTube channel natin, Philippine Noisy. So, mga kanoisy, hindi na natin ito patataglin pa. Simulan na natin. So, again, ang pamagat ng video ito, nakakagulat ang gulo na mga senador nagsipag-resign sa pwesto. So, alam naman natin na sobrang gulo na nga ng politika natin tapos hahantong pa sa ganito, di ba? So, again, Esang TV, Pilipinas, like, comment, share, subscribe, start. Crying si Bato. Crying Stone.
To the others, my dear friends, my heart is broken. I am proud to have led a Senate that's been resolute in protecting our institution, our democracy, and our people. Being an independent leader, I gave way for each member of the Senate also to be independent and to come to decisions through collaboration rather than direction. I have
Sino
never
ba yung gumaganon-ganon? Si ano ba yun? Si Zubiri ba yun, men? So, comment down below.
dictated my position on any of you. You know that.
You know that.
I've always supported your independence, which is probably why I face my demise today. I failed to follow instructions from the powers that be. Simple as that. I've listened to all my colleagues throughout my Senate presidency. And again, I listened to them today. As we head into a new period for the Senate, I fought the good fight.
I fought a good
If
fight.
I've ruffled some feathers in doing so, then so be it. Hindi ko
English pa yung ano mga Pilipino lang naman tayo dito
tinanggap ang pagiging Pangulo ng Senado para lang hayaan na bumagsak ito. Today, I offer my resignation as Senate President of the Republic of the Philippines.
So ayun, one down. Kasi yung sa title dito, nagsi-resign daw lahat So si Zubiri yung una. I think Senate President yung niresignan niya. I think ito yung time na ipinalit si Chis Escudero, no?
Upon stepping down, I vow to serve as an independent member of the Senate. My allegiance as ever belonging only to the Filipino people. I leave with my head held high, knowing that I did what is right for the Senate and for the nation. I wish our new leadership the very best.
Ano daw sila, ginagawa daw nila para sa Filipino people. Pero nung nagka-problema sila sa loob, which is mga colleague lang naman nila, tinalikuran nila yung Filipino people. Hindi ko rin nag-get
And I pray that they will be steadfast in upholding the independence of these beloved institutions. I will remain vigilant to make sure that the traditions and the rules of the Senate will remain steadfast. Once again, maraming salamat po. Mabuhay ang Senado, mabuhay ang Republika ng Pilipinas.
Mabuhay.
Thank you very much, Senate President Juan Miguel
Paano
Zubiri,
pa kayo magmabuhay niyan kung mag-resign kayo?
for your heartfelt speech. We are grateful for your service to the institution. Thank you for your service to the nation.
But
Thank
respect din sa decision ni Senator Zubiri kasi syempre, I don't know, may din talaga siguro siya pinagdadaanan, di ba?
you for a job well done, Senate President Juan Miguel Zubiri. Session is suspended.
And so today, Madam President, I tender my resignation because the greater cause outweighs my personal interest. Maraming salamat po, Madam President.
I would just like to manifest
So
that
yun, Villanueva yung pangalawa. So 2 down.
I'm also resigning as chairperson of the Committee on Accounts and Tourism and Ethics. Thank you, Madam President.
But at the same time, I'd like
Si Binay din. Ewan ko talaga kung bakit ganyan sila. Di ba? Sige, sabihin na natin na may hindi sila pagkakaunawaan. Pero yung trabaho na tinanggap nila is hindi lang naman all about sa kanila. About naman sa taong bayan. Kaya nga meron tayong kasabihan na walang personalan, trabaho lang.
to also tender my resignation as the chairperson of the Committee on Finance, the
Yun,
chairperson of the Committee
pang-apat.
on Youth, and the chairperson of the Subcommittee on Constitutional Amendments in order to give the new leadership a free hand to choose who they wish to fill up these positions. And I thank our colleagues for the chance to serve them for the last 5 years.
I would like to resign, of course, to give the new leadership a free hand in reorganizing the Senate leadership. But again, I would like to say that I will always be proud to be part of this institution and proud to have been part of the leadership under Senate President Migs, who really was a very productive team. And thank you very much also to the Senate staff for your cooperation in at the times that we were on the floor.
So,
So
Madam,
yun na, siya na yung panglima. So 5 senador na. Though nandyan pa rin naman sila men, pero yun nga, yung mga posisyon na binitiwan nila eh. Sobrang dami.
Senate President, Madam Chair, may I, with all
Si
humility,
10K.
but with pride, nominate someone I respect, I admire, and look
Sino dito yung nakakalimot no sa 10,000 pesos ni Cayetano? Like man, legit, up until now, nakikita ko pa rin sa comment section yung 10K ni Cayetano.
forward to, I look forward to him being our leader, and I look forward that I will be able to contribute and do my part. May I respectfully and humbly nominate Francis Cheese Escudero as Senate President this afternoon. Thank you very much, Madam Chair.
Thank you very much, Senator Alan Peter
Sabi ni Cheese, pinumot ako, baka ako naman ang next na nito, resign
Cayetano. We take note of your nomination of Senate President Francis Cheese Escudero. May I hear from the Deputy Majority Leader, Mark Villar? Yes, may I hear the motion of the acting Majority Leader?
I move to recognize Senator Jingo Estrada.
Can you please speak louder?
Sorry, I move to
Yes.
recognize Senator Jingo Estrada.
Oh, is that another motion for nomination?
I move that we close the period of nomination. Madam
Yes.
President.
We take note of the nomination. Thank you. And the period of nomination for the Senate President is now closed. Hearing no objection, hearing none, the motion for nomination of the Senate President of the Philippine Senate is now closed.
At ang nanalo, Senator
We hear a motion from the acting Majority Leader,
Escudero.
Senator Mark Villar.
With the permission of Senator Villar, since there are no objections and there's only one candidate, I move that we elect Senator Escudero by acclamation, and that the chair bang the gavel, symboling that we elect Senator Escudero as our new Senate President. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Any objections? Hearing none. The election
Hearing none.
of Senate President Francis Cheese Escudero
Is now
is hereby recognized. Congratulations, Senator Francis Cheese Escudero.
okay lang naman pala siya. Akala ko ayaw niya eh. Or siguro expected niya na yan. Siguro lang naman.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name.
Yan. Ano siya? Sinamahan siya ng lady niya. Ang ganda din talaga ni Hart.
Francis Joseph G. Escudero.
Having been elected
Having been elected
President of the Senate,
President of the Senate,
do hereby solemnly swear that I will well and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability
do hereby solemnly
I think dito na yun eh. Wait lang.
the Constitution of the Philippines
So nanumpa na siya.
voluntarily with
So yun lang naman. So yun lang pala yun. Kala ko kung ano na. Kala ko may something eh. So yun lang naman. So I think nagsi-resign naman sila. Right? I don't know if ano talaga yun. Meron silang some kind tawag dyan, sama ng loob. Or maybe meron yung iba. Or baka nga silang lahat. Diba? Kasi syempre sa ano na yan eh. Sa yun nga hindi pagkakaunawaan. Tapos, ano naman, may papalit naman dyan. Pero yun nga, parang, ang ano lang na, nagre-resignan lahat Diba? Parang big news talaga yan. Like, ang nakakatawa dito, may problema na nga tayo sa labas. Diba? Yung Philippines versus China. Meron din tayong problema dito sa loob. Diba? Yung mga senador natin, nagbabardagulan. I think yan yung ano eh, yung nakapag-trigger niyan nung time ni ano, ni tawag dyan, ni Mig Zubiri, tapos yung kay Robin, kay Revilla, di ba? Yung mga ano nila, bardagulan nila doon na parang absent ata yun na issue, something like that. So I think yan yung nakapagpa-trigger, or I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong. Tapos yun nga, sobrang gulo ng Senado natin, pati ngayon yung BC at yung presidente natin, ang gulo din nila, 'di ba? Yung dating magkalab team ngayon ay parang napakasakit nilang tingnan kasi parehas kong binoto yung dalawang yan, tapos ngayon naglalaglaga na sila. So paano na yan? 'Di ba? So yun lang naman. So kayo, anong masasabi nyo dyan sa mga pagre-resign na ng mga senadores natin? Comment down below. Tapos, yun, ano yung deep opinion nyo doon? At syempre, ano yung mai-advise nyo sa kanila? Syempre, kay Senator Chis Escudero din. If ever biglang magbago na naman yung ihip ng hangin, ano yung or mensahe nyo para kay Senator Chis Escudero at sa mga papalit din doon sa mga nagsi-resign comment down below. So again, that's it na lang muna. So again, Isang TV, and courtesy na din sa Senate of the Philippines at sa I think sa Rappler, and then Filipinoises. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Isang TV, Filipinoises, like, comment, share, subscribe. Filipinoises.